just got this in the mail today. Should be exciting. Let's get this bad boy opened up, and taking a look at the box, we have some exclusive Team Pixel packaging, so shout outs to Google for that. Inside the box, looks like we have the Pixel 3a XL, along with some brief documentation regarding Google Fi. Just a quick message saying, hey, thanks for being a part of Team Pixel, and the 3a XL case, along with a pop socket. Not sure how it's going to fit on that material, but or the case, but I guess it's cool that they include it anyway. It looks like we also have a Google bag. I already have a Google bag actually, but I guess it does not hurt to have another one. Thanks again to Google. So these are all everything that came in the box. Let's get this out of the way and take a look at the phone. So opening up the box, the very first thing we obviously see, the Pixel 3a XL in all its glory. Set that to the side for a bit in typical tech YouTuber fashion. Opening it up, have a piece of plastic, gonna get that out of the way. We have a brief cables, our SIM removal tool. Looks like we have our power brick in there somewhere. Overall, just the regular stuff, nothing fancy, nothing special, just the essentials pretty much. Here is the phone. Let's get that out of the way and take a closer look. So this is the 3a XL, like I mentioned, in the just black color, and wow, it's surprisingly very lightweight. It's kind of weird, but I like it. It's not super premium, but it feels nice in the hand for sure. It doesn't feel cheap. Definitely solid feeling. Let's get this booted up. So this is rocking an OLED display, which I already see looks pretty good, but it looks like the boot up is taking a bit long, so let's speed this up a bit. Yeah, that was kind of a long boot up, and that was sped up, so you can kind of tell that, yeah, this definitely isn't a flagship. But let's get this all set up and get to the home screen. So yeah, I have it all set up here, and so far it's a smooth phone. It's obviously not top of the line, super high-end performing phone, but I think for most people, for the price you pay, this should be definitely fine for the average consumer, especially given that it's running stock Android. Speaking of Android, we have our Google Pi or Android Pi Easter egg, classic. We have our USB-C port alongside a single bottom firing speaker and the return of the headphone jack. So if you missed the headphone jack, it's back. And the glorious almighty Pixel 3 camera. But that's pretty much it. There's going to be a bunch more 3A content on the channel coming soon. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on the phone are so far, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. It's good to be back.